Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Power by Shopify without coding. So if you go to your Shopify store, we want to go to the theme, default theme content. Once here, we want to look for Powered by Shopify. And this is written here. And in here we want to remove it. So I just put a space. And then we want to remove it everywhere. Okay, up, and I save it. Just to show you, in before we had a Power by Shopify here. It's taking some time to save. If I reload my page, this is done. Now we're gonna preview the theme, and this is gone. Et voilà. Thank you for watching my video today, and if you have any question, please leave a comment below and I will be happy to answer any of them. Thank you.